welcome to Excel Engineering Education. In this video, we'll discuss about economic order quantity, which is known as EOQ. We'll solve a problem. Question is, calculate the EOQ, optimum number of order per annum and the total cost for the given data, which is annual usage of 2400 units. Ordering cost, that is a procurement cost, is 4 rupees per order. Cost per order, which is 2.40 rupees, and inventory carrying cost is 20% per annum. So whenever we want to calculate the EOQ, there is one formula of EOQ which is defined as EOQ is equal to under root of 2OU upon C into P. Okay, here in this problem we'll summarize these values. O is nothing but your ordering cost, so O is equal to 4 rupees. U is the unit, that is nothing but how many usage of annual usage, so U is 2400 units. Next is C. C is nothing but your inventory carrying cost, which is 20% per annum. And P is nothing but our cost per order. So here P value is 2.40 rupees. When we substitute these values in this formula, we'll get a value of EOQ. Let us substitute. EOQ is equal to under root of 2 order cost, which is of 4 rupees, U 2400 units, divided by C, which is 20%, so it will be 20 divided by 100 into 2.40, which is a P, so it will be 2.40. When we solve it, we'll get a value of under root of 40000, which is nothing but EOQ is equal to 200 units. So this is the value of economic order quantity. Now next we want to find out value of optimum number of orders per annum. So here optimum number of order per unit is equal to U divided by EOQ. Here U is equal to 2400 and EOQ is equal to 200. When we solve it, it will be 12 unit. Next we want to calculate the total cost. Here the total cost formula is as it is. Total cost is equal to EOQ divided by 2 multiplied by CP, whatever CP we have, plus U annual usage divided by EOQ into our ordering cost, which is O. So this is the formula. Let us substitute the values. So total cost is equal to 200 divided by 2 into 20 divided by 100, because it is 20%, into 2.40 plus U is 2400 divided by EOQ is equal to 200 into O, ordering cost is 4. So when we solve it, we will get total cost is equal to 100 into 0.48 plus 12 into 4. So ultimately this is 96, and everything is in rupees, so it will be 96 rupees, which completes the problem. To calculate the EOQ, optimum number of order per annum, and total cost. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Excel Engineering Education.